You need to visit this place.
Yeah. Guys, I didn't even do my intro properly. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Lulu here, back with another video. Be sure to subscribe guys. Hit the subscribe button. I think it's somewhere here, like right under here or here, but here. Yeah, so hit the subscribe button guys. Let's get going. And yeah, before I forget, from today onwards, or rather from this week, I'm going to be uploading twice every week. Like, I've been just busy guys, I couldn't record or do anything, but then someone is calling me, and guess what, my train was delayed. Continuing my exam. Can you try to cover an outfit? And I picked up a weird cake. No, baby, wow. Yeah, pretty much. Hey guys, so guess who just reached? Ta-da! I'm now in Casa and in Agatha. Unfortunately, she can't vlog me, so I'll have to vlog her. Okay, let's walk a little bit and then, yeah. Morning guys, it's Friday today and welcome back to my vlog. Yeah, pretty much I'll take you guys with me to Medina, wherever it is I'm going. So yeah. Hi guys, so we are crossing the bridge, whatnot. It's actually really cute here. Guys, I'm trying my best to like vlog my entire day, so be sure to subscribe, like and comment. Let me know down below what you guys want to see in my videos, and your girl will deliver.
Why are there so many people outside the school though?
Or like outside there?
Outside the school, like by the gate.
Guys, I literally look like a dog. I don't know how to hold my... Yeah, he did.
Oh, we walked slow.
No, he came fast. I don't know how to hold my phone real tight, but... And guys, I don't really vlog that much, so I'm learning. If he wants, I don't know. I don't want to make someone... You think I should? Hi, Ashby.
Hi, Chuma, what's up?
I'm fine. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
I was looking at you. I thought I used to see.
Alright, guys, let me show you this. That's their school over there.
That's the bridge.
That's the bridge right behind. Damn. Why are those guys outside?
That's what I was asking you. No, results, I would have seen them already by now.
Not even that. I just want to remove my jersey. I regret carrying it. a jersey. I want a jersey.
In the tights.
Guys, so literally I wanted to wear a jersey and tights. Morocco summer, see my life. Oh boy, that's such my kid bag.
This is a bad idea. I think let's start with what we know. Because we waste time.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Put that on my partner, I put that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million Swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't.
I think we're here.
Guys, you finally see me in a mask. I do wear. I'm just usually filming from home. But every time I leave my house, I wear a mask. Mask up, guys. We don't want corona around.
Look at this cake.
Oh. Yeah, that's the cake, guys.
Pune Agosh. Wasn't there else you were Oh, I understand.
That's right, cake. You've brought me here before, huh? Look at that swimming suit there. I like these pants, so come look at them. And I don't know. That's
I
cute.
like
Oh yeah, she look good in that. You didn't even see what I was saying.
I did.
You didn't.
Good. Lulu, I showed you the picture of what I'm buying.
No.
Pass me my phone. Like this same color, it really confused. Where's my phone?
Look in there. We're in your pocket.
Ils seront disponibles pendant 5 jours et même pendant les soldes. Le bonheur, non? Qui a dit le bonheur vous va si bien?
Like, is it something that comes together top and down, or is it?
No, it's just you're supposed to get it separately. Look at these pants. No, that's what I'm looking for. Yes, now me I'm colorblind, so I'm okay.
Is this color? That's it.
But it's similar. This,
Yeah, this is almost it. Like, this is the closest you get.
Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Jared's best friend. That fool no included. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's actually very fun.
I should have good fun.
When you turn on the knees.
I'm back and we're actually by Tamaris aquaparc. Anyway, I'll show you guys when we enter. You guys have not met Monica.
Meet Monica.
Not Monica. I'll show you guys everyone else later on, but yeah.
There's one thing I can go without.
Alright guys, so
Yes. And what? So even if you try to top or something,
it goes in the bag,
it
huh?
goes in the back.
Monica guys. Monica, what's up? What did you baby?
Guys, can someone
Welcome to my channel.
Oh, thank you. Just actually, I'm good.
But bitch, I make you wish that you ain't never met her. The editor, director, plus I'm my own boss. So posh, nails fierce with the gold gloss, which means nobody getting over me. I got the swag and it's pumping out my ovaries. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Oh, all you basic ass hoes out there. Man, I got rooms full of bad bitches. They don't need Gucci, they don't need Louis. I'm swaggin'. Hey.
Me, I'm hungry. Guys, I'm just trying to find the place to settle. What's this? The swimsuits people wear, they even like a shot on top. Wait for us to wear. These are my girls. And we are outside.
Even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Put that on my partner, I put that on my family. Oakland City represent, address me as your majesty. Yeah, you can kiss the ring, but you can never touch the crown. I smoke a million swisher blunts and I ain't never coming down. Bitch, you ain't no Barbie. I see you work at Arby's. Number 2, supersize. Hurry up, I'm starving. Gnarly, radical. On the block,
That's what we did last time. This is where I'm coming, guys. Oh, those are not kids dentists. Oh, they're sitting because I was almost worried. Guys, this place is so cute. Tamaris aquaparc, I think. Water park between the two. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. You guys should check it out in Casa. In Casa, oh my god. Guys, I cried last time. I don't even know how to swim one. My slippers are so cute, guys. Let's go leave the. Someone can go leave the phones. Others go leave the things there.
See what I'm saying? All of us, we should go and take phones. The guys are already going.
Okay, the boys take everything that side.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, guys, see you later. I'll see you guys later. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. But yeah. Hi guys, hey guys. The girl is back. And I'm sorry guys, I couldn't like vlog when I went to swim because you know I couldn't take my phone in the water. It's not waterproof. But then we are done here. I am going back home, so yeah. Basically I think I'm ending the vlog for today and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have a couple of errands to run tomorrow, so yeah, pretty much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. But yeah. Let's get going. I'm gonna say bye to the vlog.
Bye guys, see you next time.
Mama, say bye to the
Bye.
vlog. Erin, come say bye to the vlog.
Bye guys.
Tawa, come say bye to my vlog.
Let's go by the way.
Bye guys. You need to visit this place.
Yeah. Next person, AJ, please come say bye to my vlog.
Oh, what's the vlog?
As the
Like-
guest of honor and the most good looking motherfucker.
Alright.
You two guys, come say bye to my vlog.
Bye guys.
Guys, be sure to. Alright, guys. That's everyone I came with. Now I'm going, so. Alright, be sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. Like and yeah. In the comments, guys. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you like most in this vlog. And yeah. Bye, guys. See you next time.